हमारा थर्ड बेडरूम। ये है हमारा ड्राइंग रूम और ये है ड्राइंग रूम की बालकनी। ये है हमारा स्टोर रूम विच इज गोइंग इनसाइड द थर्ड बेडरूम। दिस इज आवर टूटा हुआ किचन एंड दिस इज द किचन का balcony. Now this is the second bedroom and this is the टूटा हुआ third bedroom with balcony.
Of my house, this area is the kitchen plus veranda, which has been closed with silver films, and this is the way we reach, and this is the house. So this is when you enter the house. Main door, there's a shelf over here where you can stuff. This is the third bedroom. I got wardrobes over here, wardrobes over here, and this is an additional shelf, chest of drawers. There's a wardrobe over there also, and this is the third bathroom. And this is that extended veranda where I've got glass films, and this is that extra space. Here I'll be putting that washing machine which will be connected there. An almirah here for keeping stuff. Drawing room. This arch was made with spotlights over here. This is the drawing room. I have a yellowish mango color over here on the wall. This is one additional almirah that has been made to keep the stuff. This is the window, and this is one corner shelf which has been made with a focusing light in between and glasses. This is a balcony. One balcony I have kept with pigeon nets put all over. Now this is the main showcase. This is the main showcase where I'll be putting the stuff, whatever has to be put. And the ultimate thing is the bar. You see, this is the bar. This is all that rustic look, rustic finish. Now after the bar is the kitchen. I put some 3 hanging lights over here like this. Now this is a small area where you can put crockery, cutlery and all that. Cutlery here, some crockery can be placed here, because this is where the dining table will come. And this is the area for the fridge. This is a modular kitchen which has got shelves on the top, in the center, at the bottom, and adequate power points and light points. These are empty boxes. I said I would need it, so I just kept it. This is our chimney. This is our built-in hub, and this is the PNG gas connection. This is a small sink. This is the RO. I open this and I get filtered water. This is the main kitchen sink. I can, pull this out and keep washing anything. It goes back. This is our PNG meter. And this is the area for the dishwasher which has been kept. So whenever the dishwasher comes, it will be placed there. This is one additional pillar over here. So this is the kitchen. This is the entrance from the dining hall. Here we have the second bedroom, and this is the master bedroom. So this is where the TV mount is. These are the almiras. We got a purple colored wall. And the rest of the wall is white. This is the new bed that has come. And this portion of the balcony we've taken over, and we've got these doors where we can put our curtains, and it's got a thing like this. This is the dressing room. It's got almirah on the top. You can open it and put stuff, whatever. This side also. Plus, even behind this mirror. There's a drawer on the bottom also, and we've got additional space to put things here also. And this is the bathroom. Here we go to the second bedroom. Second bedroom has got a wall of this color. This color is looking slightly different, otherwise it is more like, from here the color looks okay, good. This is the color of the wall. We got a corner, we got lofts on the top. This is the door, of course, and this is the TV mount area. TV mount area. Got the AC fixed over here, and there's a wardrobe along with it. And this is the dressing table. Dressing. In this dressing, if you see, you got the complete racks inside, and it's got the mirror from outside. It's a full-size mirror. And along with this, of course, you have the bathroom. The bathrooms are something like this. This door.